Now to COVID-19 in Colorado. Flu season is approaching fast, and during a global pandemic, it may be hard to tell the difference between the flu and COVID-19 symptoms alone.
KRDO News Channel 13's Alexis Dominguez spoke to health experts today and joins us live now. El Paso County Public Health says testing for both COVID-19 and the flu will be more important now than ever before. Right, Alexis?
Heather, Lauren, as you just heard there, testing here in El Paso County will be more important than ever because as flu season ramps up, they say they will need those test results to best determine treatment.
So we're going to get your flu vaccine for you today.
Flu season is typically from October through May, and so we are on the cusp of it beginning.
Dr. Robin Johnson is the medical director at El Paso County Public Health. She's been one of the experts dedicated to learning more on the novel coronavirus. She says COVID-19 and the flu can be extremely alike. Both have symptoms like fever, shortness of breath, and cough, just to name a few.
They call on the same ventilators and the same staffing beds. And so the more that we can prevent influenza and or COVID, the more we have of those resources.
Johnson says the preventative measures we're already taking for COVID-19 can also limit the spread of the flu.
Cover your mouth with your arm when you cough or sneeze, washing your hands, wearing a mask, social distancing, staying home when you're sick. Those things not only prevent COVID, but they prevent some of the other respiratory illnesses that we would see, and in particular flu.
So what are the differences between the two viruses? COVID-19 may also include change in or loss of taste or smell. After exposure, it can take 2 to 14 days to feel sick, compared to the flu, which takes 1 to 4 days. And unlike COVID, there is a vaccine for the flu. And Dr. Johnson says getting it is more important this year than ever.
It also mitigates the severity of that illness if you were to get it.
And a big question on people's mind is if you can get COVID-19 and the flu at the same time. While El Paso County Public Health says it's too early to tell and be 100% sure, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention say it may be possible. Reporting live overlooking Colorado Springs, Alexis Dominguez, KRDO News Channel 13.
All right, Alexis, good